Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So in today's video we'll be seeing how to calculate mode for continuous series. Okay, so here I have included a simple formula, mode equal to L plus D1 divided by D1 plus D2 into H. Now I have covered previous video on how to calculate mode for group data, raw data, like that. So if you haven't checked that video, I'll just provide the link in the description box as well as in the iCard. So once you go through it, you will get an understanding of that. And this is the next step, that is mode for continuous series and how to calculate it. Okay, so please by heart this formula, mode equal to L plus D1 divided by D1 plus D2 into H. Now we should know what is this L. So here L means lower limit of the model class, that is L. So we have to identify model class, and so like in previous video I've covered that what is mode. Mode is the number is the value that is having the highest frequency or which is having a maximum number of repetition, that is mode. Okay, so that will be your model class, and the lower limit value of that class frequency will be your L. Now what is D1? D1 is difference between the frequency of the model class and the frequency of the class preceding the model class. Okay, so D1 means difference between the frequency of the model class and the class and the frequency before the model class. D2. Now here D2 is difference between the frequency of the model class and the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, that is after. Okay, so there will be a frequency of model class. So D2 means the value that is after the model class. Okay, the frequency that is after the model class. See, this you will understand once we'll start doing the problems. H means class interval of the distribution, magnitude of the distribution, or the difference between the class interval. Okay, so without much further ado, we'll move on to problems, so you will have better understanding of what is mode, how to calculate mode, okay, using this formula. So please by heart this formula, mode equal to L plus D1 divided by D1 plus D2 into H. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. I've included a small practical question here. Calculate the mode of the following. So some frequency distribution is given, class and frequency. So no need to worry about the question. I will actually rewrite the question. So 10 to 15, 15 to 20, that is the class interval, and the respective frequencies are given below. Okay, so I'll just rewrite it down so that it won't be a problem for you. Forty-five to 50. Now I'm going to write the respective frequencies. Now respective frequencies are 4, 8. I hope it is clear. 18, 30, 20, 10, 5 and 2. Now, if you remember in previous videos for median and all that, we used to calculate cumulative frequency. But in mode, so far we don't have to calculate the cumulative frequency. Okay, so I'm just rewriting the formula from the previous, like the previous formula which I have shown. I'm just rewriting it here. I know there is some video clarity issue. I'll try to rectify it in next video. So if you want any improvement in the video quality, please let me know in the comment section below. I think something is happening with the recording, sorry. So I'll just rewrite what is mode formula here. So we know to calculate mode is, right, like this, L plus D1 divided by D1 plus D2 into H. Now here frequency is given and the class distribution is also given. Okay, so now we have to find what is L. So which is the model class here, that is which is the class distribution that is having the highest frequency. So if you could see, that is 30. So this will be your model class. Okay. Now if it is model class, what will be L? The lower limit of the subsequent of the class interval, of this class interval. Okay, because this is the model class and this is the nearby model class distribution value. So L will be 25. Okay, lower limit of the class interval of the model class. Now D1, now this is the frequency. Okay, so D1 means value of the difference between the frequency of the model class and the frequency preceding, that is before the model class. So that is 13, that is equal to 13 minus 18, that is 12. Now what is D2? So D2 is, see, this is, I am saying just as per the formula. Okay, D2 is difference between the frequency of the model class and the frequency after succeeding the model class. So D2 here is 30 minus 20, that is 10. So we have got L, D1, D2, we have got it. So what is H? H is difference between the class interval, that is 30 minus 25, that is equal to 5. So just substitute in the formula and we will get the answer. So mode is 25 plus D1 here is 12 divided by 12 plus 10 into 5. So the answer that after the calculation that we'll be getting is 27.7. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate the mode. It is very simple. Okay, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below, so that I can add more problems, because I'm not getting feedback. That is why I'm uploading topics that are available to me. So if you want to discuss any other problems, that also please let me know in the comment section below. So I hope you understood how to calculate mode. For mode, there is a formula, L plus D1 by D2, D1 by D1 plus D2 into H. This is just, I'm just revising it. L means lower limit of the model class. So here it is 25, we have written here. D1 means difference between frequency and the frequency before the preceding the model class. So 30 minus 18, that is 12. D2 here is frequency, difference between the frequency succeeding the model class. So that is 30 minus 20. Then H means difference between the class distribution. We have written that here, substitute it in the formula and you will get the answer. It is very simple. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.